Hello, welcome to Webeo Futures, bite-sized educational resources at the forefront of digital marketing. In this video, we'll be talking to you about how to use conversion rate optimization with your ABM strategy. Let's start by breaking it down with some definitions. Conversion rate optimization, or CRO, is the process of increasing the amount of website visitors that complete a desired action. The desired action is called a conversion. The percentage of people that complete that action is called a conversion rate. Desired actions or conversions can include buying a product or service, making an inquiry, downloading content, signing up to a newsletter, filling in a form, or sharing a piece of content on social media. The more visitors that complete your desired action, the higher your conversion rate. CR is important because it helps increase the revenue produced by each site's visitor and in turn positively impacts the business. Got it? Great. ABM stands for account-based marketing. This is a strategy that sees businesses focus their efforts on specific accounts rather than taking a mass marketing approach. According to ITSMA, 87% of B2B marketeers agreed that ABM delivered a higher return on investment than other marketing activities. And companies that implement ABM have reported a 74% improvement in customer relationships. ABM helps align marketing and sales objectives, ensuring team members are working towards a common goal. It also means key accounts receive a much more focused and personalized approach from the company. What businesses really want is for their key accounts to be the ones taking the desired action on their website. This is where ABM and CRO fit together. When key prospects are the ones making conversions, not only is conversion rate improving, but it's also in line with your business, sales, and marketing goals. After all, a company's overall goals need to be aligned with any strategy to work effectively. There are several ways to ensure that when a key prospect lands on your website, they will make a conversion. Here are 3 easy-to-follow tips that will help. You'll need to be clear, concise, and make the action the focus of the landing page. Distractions can draw the potential customer away from the desired action. Ensure the visitor knows why they are on the page and why they should stay there. All your marketing material needs to look the part for the right customers to take the right action. But your website is the hub of your business and the place where everything comes together. Make sure it's a reflection of your brand and is sending out the right message to potential customers. Customers love personalization, and it makes them far more likely to convert. In a report by OneSpot, it was found that personalization increased conversion rates by 6%, and an average order value increased by 5%. From marketing emails to the products recommended on your website, it's crucial to get it right. By ensuring key accounts receive a tailored, bespoke experience when they visit your website, it will increase the likelihood of them taking the desired action. Website personalization takes personalized marketing to the next level. According to Business to Community, 74% of customers feel frustrated when website content is not personalized. If you're tailoring your marketing materials to your key accounts, but driving them back to generic websites, this is where you'll lose their interest. Personalization software like Webeo creates bespoke website experiences based on a visitor's IP address. This means that when a key prospect lands on your webpage, they'll arrive at an entirely tailored page. This is where your account-based marketing strategy will be at its most impactful. If you are following these steps and your key accounts still aren't converting, it may be time to rethink your key accounts. After all, the accounts you focus on should be the ones that add the most value to your business. As you can see, account-based marketing can positively impact CRO through personalization. If website personalization feels like the next step for your business's ABM or CRO strategy, find out more about Webeo. Follow the link below and get to know about our leading personalization software and how it can help your business. I hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to comment below the video should you have any questions or requests for future content, and one of our team will get back to you. We have plenty more exciting videos planned featuring cutting-edge expertise. Please follow @Webeo Global on LinkedIn to see the latest Webeo Futures assets in your feed as they go live.